You're a copyright owner and your copyright has been infringed. How far back can you seek damages for copyright infringement? I'm Mike Steger. I'm a copyright and trademark attorney, and I'm going to discuss some issues with the damage period for copyright infringement. If someone has infringed your copyright, you may file an action for copyright infringement within 3 years of when the claim accrued. Now, under copyright law, the claim accrues within the claim accrues when the infringement starts, but for purposes of copyright law, the claim also accrues when the copyright owner discovers or reasonably discovers the infringement. So essentially, when you discover that someone's infringing your works, you have 3 years to file suit. Now, when can you get damages for? There's a question and there's a split among courts in the US about how far back the damage period runs. So I'm in New York. The Second Circuit Court of Appeals, which governs New York and a couple other states, has held that you can only go back 3 years to recover damages from when you discover the damages. And this can be problematic for a copyright owner because the infringement could have started 10, 15 years ago, but if you didn't discover it until later, under the law of these courts, your damages are limited as to how far back you can go. However, the Ninth Circuit, which covers California and many other states, and the 11th Circuit, which is Florida, Georgia, Alabama, those have both said you can go back as far as possible to recover damages. So from the time the infringement started up until 3 years before the claim accrues, you can recover your damages. Now, this split is problematic for lawyers and copyright owners because you've got different standards that apply in New York and California, and you may want to file suit in one jurisdiction or the other, depending on what the potential liability could be. So the Supreme Court is going to weigh in on this issue. They've accepted a case that addresses this very issue of how far back you can go for copyright damages. There should be a decision out sometime in the spring, and I'll give you an update when that happens. In the meantime, you've got questions about copyright damages you may be exposed to or may be entitled to, or any other copyright trademark issues, give me a call.